My name is Abhi Elizabeth Ibrahim, URK17CS172, and today we're going to do our experiment in number 8, that is PHP using super global variables. So here we'll be designing a multi-page shopping cart, which will be for which we'll be using the PHP super global variables, that is the sessions, post, and get. So we'll be storing the values in the form fields, and then we'll be validating it on another page using the HTML5 form elements. So at the end, we have to collect all the values of this page and display it as a summary page. So here we'll be using get, post, and request methods. Get is basically for requesting the data. Post is used for sending the data to a server. Request is actually used for both of these functions. So now we'll see the code. This is the first page. So this basically gets the shirt type and all. So this is the CSS styling I'm doing over here for different tags of different IDs. And then I'm in the body tag, this is a form tag I'm opening, and then the action I'm specifying a PHP tag where I'm echoing it, that is a dollar underscore servers PHP self, so it will go back to itself. And then the method I'm using is post. So this is the first section where I'm posting a picture, and then this is the text, the background image. There will be a background image uh, the background of this text, and then I'm getting the short type. It will be put as a table over here, so I'm creating a table with 2 rows, so we can see that. And then I'm getting the clothing item by giving the name as item. It will be a radio button. And then another table I'm creating for getting the quantity, size, and color. So size will be 3 options, SML, and this is a drop down list. I'm giving the name of the drop down list as size. And then I'm getting the color, the name of the drop, it is again a drop down list, and then it is named as color. Then here are the options for this drop down list. Then in the end, I'm creating a button of this will be created by using input type submit. And then this is the PHP code over here, so I'm starting the session by using session underscore start. And then we are giving if this next button is set, that is this button. So if is set dollar underscore post next, then I'm storing the values which I'm getting from each of this into dollar underscore session of each name I'm creating over here. So these all values will be stored over here. And then for this specific item, I'm giving the range. So if it is a t-shirt, then it has to be 500 rupees, and then if it's a hoodie, it has to be 750 rupees. So the total cost will be the number of the cost multiplied by the quantity. So now the header location next PHP gives whenever the button is clicked where it has to go. So next.php is the next web page. So here I'm starting the session over here, and then this is again the CSS styling, and then here I'm getting the shipping information. All the rest of the things are same, except we are using the different HTML items. This is the tags. Then I'm getting the values and storing it again in the variables over here. And then these are 2 options. If the shipping is express, then I have to give 200 rupees, and then if it's a standard one, I have to give 500. And again, if the button is clicked, that is this button, then it has to go to the display page. So in this display page, every detail has to be summarized and presented. So again, I'm doing the CSS styling over here, and then again I'm opening a PHP tag. In this, by echo, I'm printing the statements. So this will be printed, and then the value of this will be printed. All this data will be printed in this manner. Then I'm using the normal HTML and for including the PHP, I'm opening the PHP tag, and then shipping and the order total, and then the button I'm doing, and then I'm destroying the session and then unsetting the first session. So now we'll see the output. So we can see this is the end web page. So here I'm giving the 2 options, that is a hoodie and a t-shirt. So I'm selecting one, and then a woman's t-shirt. Then I'm giving the quantity as 2, so size can be medium. Then a color I'm choosing. Now I'm clicking submit button, so you can give any name. Then I'll give it as express. So we can see all the data are being displayed. and then this is a table of the item, then the item description, the quantity, the amount. So this is the total of this. So we can according to the quantity. So it's the end of experiment number 7.